Hare Krishna Prabhu. Recently I was meditating on the compassion of Krishna, that he takes the form of a super soul, enters into the sugar cube, makes it sweet. If I took birth as a cockroach, he was there. Whatever birth we have taken, even now he's here with me as a super soul. And I was also reading the broken names of His Holiness Sachinandan Maharaj, where he says that our heart is like very impure. Krishna wants to come, but Maharaj is very graphic in describing. He says that there is so much of stench that Krishna couldn't come closer. But the holy name, he becomes the janitor and he comes and helps us clean up the heart. I was just thinking that he's there because even to clean our heart, we can't do it ourselves. We need his help. So in spite of knowing all these things, yet we ignore him. So what should we do so that we keep this constantly in our mind and don't ignore Krishna, especially when we are chanting?
I've noticed that when I'm around devotees who are eager to hear and chant and serve, then it rubs off. It's natural. And therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Srimad Bhagavatam describe how when we can get association with devotees, then we're very fortunate, because then we'll naturally advance by their association. And we could gravitate towards the kind of association will uplift us. That's the main occupation, is trying to put oneself in the midst of devotees in a mood of service who are very advanced. Association is everything, really. Karanam guna sangosya. Krishna says, whatever position you're in, you can understand the cause was association. And then he describes how association, how you can take advantage of association, tadvidi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya. It's a way in which go humbly. It's the characteristic of the mind, the egoistic mind to think, oh, I know that. Others saying that, but I already read that. And I'll bet he doesn't know that. I probably read more books than he did. Something like that. And so pranipat, go without that ego, just be open and render some service and then ask questions. And so much transpires in that time when we have good association with devotees. It's practical and mystical at the same time.